Guys, welcome back to another episode of Day in Life of a Jobbing Plumber. Again, a random day compressed into all sorts of stuff, jobs. Thank you very much for your support. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment down below, reply back to every single one, and make sure you're subscribed. Catch you in it. This next one we've been called out to is nothing up with the top, but the customer's got elderly and arthritis in her hands and struggling to turn these off when her hands are wet, so she wanted a lever valve. Picked up this one from Plumber based, apparently cheap, 86 quid including that. I don't see that as cheap, but hey ho. Shut off the main stop tap out because it's on a combi system, but not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this yet. That was why I wanted to get this one on video. Yeah, one for the new ones that had not seen that one before, on the with the half moon style mounting washer underneath on a stainless steel sink, and sometimes pot ones. You can actually put these parts on and drop it through the top. For those of you that are interested, there's just enough. I mean, they are quite, that one, the cold is quite tight, but it's a nice flowing bend on it, so hopefully it'll be alright. Just enough length on them. That next one, this has failed. The plastic lid, which should be something like that, has decided to disappear. It could be under here, it could have been flushed, I don't know. Anyway, it's not showing off and that's missing, so I'm just going to swap it out. The only thing I'm going to need for this is this to shut off the water. Do I dare touch this? I don't know. Fingers crossed it doesn't leak. Push that. And then under here, where my finger is pointing, if it'll focus, is a little locking nut. Pull that up and this should just then slide out, he says. Like so. Replace it with this. This is setting the height as well. Test it's gone, locked in. We'll save this and buy a plastic one next time, so I can, because they're cheaper than buying a brass fed one. Let's reuse the brass one if that makes sense. Normally there'll be a line in the back of the toilet. It says WL. The line, that's your water line for setting it. So this next one we've been called out to is to remove this gas fire. So we're gonna, well, we've got this, what I think is 12mm chrome pipe. It's not copper. Going into this valve on the wall. So I've shut it off. There's a little flatted screwdriver point in there. Close that all the way off, and I'm just gonna blank this off for the time being until they take the skirting boards off and get the carpet off. This is what I've managed to fumble together. Same thread as that nut there. That should wind in. With a bit of gas PTFE on both the cap and that, just to make safe. because you can't leave a valve just shut off in case somebody opens it again, obviously. And that's what the abortion looks like right there. It'll do for temporary anyway. No idea where the pipe goes, not a clue. Solid floors, could be in that little channel there, who knows. And now we've got the obligatory tightness test today. Test all the other appliances, come back on. And the next one working on is a fitted and Beastman 111W, which basically is a combi boiler, but with a storage tank in it. Anyway, we've been called out for a leak. Well, actually got called out for no heating, which is because the pressure has dropped out, and we've got a leak. Just took the cover off, and you can just about see that drip there, which I think is coming from the bottom of that pump union. So I'll get the pressure drained out of this and undo that and see what's going on. They do have an issue with these hoses splitting, so don't squeeze them. Yeah. See what's what. Might need to bleed it afterwards using that. Get it drained down. Shouldn't be much water in this because obviously you can see your pressure gauge is barely off 0, but I've been spoilt with drain offs. So that pipe, the pump I'm going to be disconnected on this pipe. I can drain it through that. There's another one there. I'll probably just use this though. So that's just emptying out now nicely. Just cracked this off with the spanner. Oh my god. Not enough, clearly. Yeah, not enough. That's that nut off there. Yeah, I can't see anything. I'm just going to try and remove the washer. Just about hiding there. Be a 501, probably perished. So this is what's left of the old washer. And I've got a new one out of the box. It's a bit bigger than a 3/4 one. Not sure how big it is, but we'll see if that fits in. That is actually off an Alpha service kit. See, whilst we've got it drained down, might as well recharge it. Showing 0. Just starting to top it back up now. Open that automatic air vent right there. It's going to focus at the back, and obviously bleed this top heat exchanger as well. Just got a hose on that, giving it a little bit of mini flush. Good colour of that. Sheesh. It's pretty clear now though, and no air. That little leak there, I think now is from the automatic air vent, so we'll get that shut off. Now the top one's leaking. Ugh. So I have to do all that again. Should have changed them both, should have known better that I would have disturbed that by messing around. Never mind. Just see it. And down the side of the pump here. Good. Got that undone now. Whip the old one out. Hard as nails again. Thankfully, got another spare in the box. That's the back up and running. Hopefully, this will be the back of this boiler. We'll go on to the next one. Right, thanks for watching this one. A bit something different, which I'm going to start as a weekly thing, is giving other creators a shout out to their channels if you're not already subscribed to them or watching them, just to go over and give them a watch and see what you think of theirs. But the people that I like to watch, there is numerous ones, but this week's shout out is going out to Nathan Caprani Plumbing and Heating. I will put his channel in the description below. Go and check him out. Give him a subscribe if you haven't done already, but he does a bit of commercial, oil, bathrooms, a bit of everything. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.